Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize keyboard shortcuts in LTspice. So go to the tools, then settings, and right here go to the schematic. Select keyboard shortcuts and select the shortcuts that you want to change. So for the schematic shortcuts, I will select, let's say, configure analysis, and I will select a different letter or number that I want to change. So I will select the number 1, as you can see, like this. And now to save it, what I will do is save the file. Then you can save the file where you want to, and basically click OK. And that's how you change the shortcuts and customize it for your own preference in LTspice. So, if this video was been helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.